I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Vision API. This gives you the endpoint and billing context. Once done, create a service account, download the JSON key, and set Google application credentials so your client authenticates. Next, install the official client library for your language. Pip install Google Cloud Vision or npm install at Google Cloud/Vision, and run a minimal sample that loads an image and calls text detection. This gets you authenticated and executing your first OCR request immediately. You now prepare the image and craft the request body. First, decide. Use text detection for simple images versus document text detection for full-page, structured OCR. Then either base 60 for-encode the image bytes or point to a GS//URI. Set MIME type and optional image context like language hints to improve accuracy. For a single image, call the synchronous annotate endpoint. For large PDFs or many pages, switch to async batch annotate files and poll the operation. Make sure request, sizes, and quotas are respected to avoid failures. You finish by parsing the API response into usable text and metadata. Prefer full text annotation. Text for contiguous output and text annotations for per block bounding boxes and confidence. Once parsed, save results, preserve page order, and normalize whitespace. If you hit issues, implement retries with exponential backoff, batch requests within quota, and switch to async for large jobs. Troubleshoot common errors by checking credentials, verifying MIME type and GS//paths, and inspecting raw API error messages. One key tip: rotate keys and re-authenticate if you see frequent 400 ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.